In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect your apps on Replit. Connecting external apps allows you to link services you already use, such as Google and GitHub, so they can work with your projects inside Replit. I'll guide you through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to do. Begin by opening your apps on Replit and going to the area where integrations are managed. This section displays the external apps and accounts that you can connect. It also shows which services are already linked to your account, making it easy to manage everything from one place. Before you continue, keep in mind that connecting external apps requires a premium subscription. If your account is not on a paid plan, Replit will ask you to upgrade before you can connect any services. Also, make sure you're using the correct Replit account that has the premium subscription, especially if you switch between personal and team workspaces. Once you're in the integrations section, choose the external app you want to connect. When you've decided which service you want to use, click the Connect button next to that app. This will open a secure sign-in window provided by the service you're connecting. If you're connecting Google, select your Google account when the sign-in window appears. If you're connecting GitHub, sign in with the GitHub account you want to use. Continue through the sign-in process by following the prompts on the screen. During the process, you may be asked to review and approve the requested permissions. Read through the permissions shown, then confirm them to continue. After you approve the request, Replit will be able to communicate with that service using the permissions you've allowed. If you ever want to remove that access later, you can revoke it from the connected provider's account settings. Once the connection is complete, you'll be returned to Replit. Look for a confirmation that the app has been connected, such as a connected status or a checkmark displayed beside the service. If the sign-in window doesn't appear, your browser's pop-up blocker may be preventing it from opening. Allow pop-ups for Replit temporarily, then try connecting the app again. If you have more than one Google or GitHub account, double-check that you selected the correct one before completing the process. This makes sure your projects are connected to the right files, repositories, or other available resources. After the connection is finished, your linked app is ready to use anywhere that integration is supported within Replit. Depending on the service you connected, you'll have smoother authentication, easier access to your repositories or files, and fewer manual steps when syncing. That's all you need to do. Go to the integrations section. Make sure your account has a premium subscription. Choose the service you want to connect. Click Connect, sign in, approve the requested permissions, and confirm that the connection is complete. Thank you for watching.